ready. This is the day na yun na itong ipaabot for how many years na nag-uban ka. So, I love you, not only for who you are, but for who I become when I'm with you.
I take a moment to pause and truly appreciate everything that has led us here. Through every ordinary day and every unforgettable moment, you've become my constant, my peace, and my greatest joy.
I can't get enough of you.
Abigail, mianhi ba ikaw sa imong kabubuton aron pagbugkos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon ya sa paghigugma ug pag-alagad sa imong bana?
Oo, Padre.
Peter Niels, mianhi ba ikaw sa imong kabubuton aron pagbugkos kanunay sa imong kaugalingon ya sa paghigugma ug pag-alagad sa imong asawa?
Oo, Father.
I don't know where I'd be without
B, thank you for all the times na you supported me. I think you always bring out the best of me. Every time when I'm down, imo gi-lift ako self. And thank you sa memories na together with you, we spent through these past years na nagkaubay ka. So, thank you, God. Most especially na imo ko itong love with all your heart. And the same thing po, I love you.
You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Waiting on
Inyong domini, tulo ka butang. Una, embrace suffering. Kung ganahan ka nga magmabungahon ang kaminyoon, do not forget, embrace suffering.
Feels like the first time I can see everything is coming in focus. Like the stars fall from the sky, like the sun waking up the night. You're the light.
I promise to listen, to learn, and to laugh with you every day. I will stand by you with an open heart and open mind. Whatever life may bring us, I promise to walk through it together, hand in hand and with love as our guide.
I'm falling for you. And the
With faith in God
time has come,
and love in my heart,
it's all
I promise to walk beside you through all life's moments. I will stand by you in joy and in sorrow, in strength and in weakness. Today, I chose you and I will keep choosing you every day with all that I am and all that I have to give.
The time has come, it's all begun, now and forever.
You're the light in my darkest of days. You're the one pulling my heart awake. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you.